Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlocking the Future. It's that time of year again. CES, the biggest tech event in the world, just wrapped up in Las Vegas. And for those who haven't heard of it, CES is like a giant playground for tech enthusiasts, where companies from all over unveil their latest and greatest innovations.
It really is a sight to behold, a true spectacle.
We had a friend at the show this year, and let me tell you, the future's looking pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Buckle up, because we've got flying cars,
Robots.
TVs you can see through, the whole 9 yards. Are you ready to dive in?
Absolutely. I'm always so excited to see what CES brings each year. It's like a window into the future of consumer tech. And this year's lineup definitely doesn't disappoint.
All right, let's kick things off with transportation. So we've all dreamed of flying cars.
Oh, yeah.
And it seems like we're getting closer with the Xpeng Air app.
It's pretty incredible. More of a car drone hybrids. Imagine this. You're driving down the road, traffic's a nightmare, and suddenly this EVTO, that stands for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing Vehicle, emerges from the back of your car. You detach, lift off, and soar above the congestion. It's not quite the Jetsons yet, but it's a pretty cool step towards that seamless air-ground transportation future.
And pre-orders are already open. Talk about making a grand entrance.
Yeah.
Speaking of futuristic homes, CES was packed with incredible smart home tech. Imagine strolling up to your front door, and it unlocks automatically thanks to Lockley smart locks and their ultra-wideband technology.
Yeah, that's pretty slick. And it's not just about convenience. Ultra-wideband provides much more precise location tracking than traditional Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, making it harder for someone to spoof your location and gain unauthorized access. Plus, these locks have built-in screens, so you can see who's at the door without even opening it. Talk about an upgrade from a peephole.
Right, and the Accord 2K doorbell camera takes security to the next level with facial recognition and a battery-powered millimeter wave sensor. So it can literally sense someone lurking, even if they're hidden from view.
Yeah.
That's some next-level peace of mind right there.
And speaking of keeping your home safe, there's the droplet water monitoring device. You attach it to your main water line, and it alerts you to any leaks, big or small. Not only does it protect your home from potential water damage, but it also makes you more conscious of your water usage, which is good for both your wallet and the environment.
It's the little things that can make a big difference. Right?
Absolutely.
Now, let's talk comfort. The Honeywell by 2's smart thermostat caught my eye because
Well,
it's affordable. It works with Matter, the new standard for smart home connectivity.
right. That's a big deal. Matter aims to solve a big problem in the smart home world. Compatibility. Imagine a future where you don't have to worry about whether your smart lights will work with your smart thermostat or your smart security system. They just all talk to each other seamlessly. That's the promise of Matter, and it's exciting to see companies like Honeywell embracing it.
Okay, are you ready for this? Robot vacuums are getting a serious upgrade. Not only can they clean your floors, but we saw some at CES with attachments for drinks, air purification, and even claw arms.
Oh, wow. It's like having a little robot butler zipping around your house. Makes you wonder how far this integration will go. Will we see robots taking on even more tasks around the house, becoming true companions and helpers?
Hold on tight, because it gets even cooler. Imagine AI-powered pet robots for companionship and AI-driven home security systems that learn your routines and alert you to anything out of the ordinary. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening now.
Yeah. The line between science fiction and reality is definitely blurring. What's fascinating is how AI is being integrated into so many aspects of our lives, from the mundane tasks like vacuuming to providing companionship and enhancing security.
Now, let's dive into the realm of entertainment and prepare to have your mind blown. LG showcased a transparent OLED TV, a TV that's literally see-through when it's off.
Yeah, I saw that. It's a real head turner, for sure. It might not be for everyone, but it sparks a conversation about the future of display technology. Who knows? Maybe transparent screens will become commonplace someday, integrated into our windows or even car windshields. The possibilities are fascinating.
And speaking of LG, they also had a concept microwave with a 27-inch tablet for a door. Imagine scrolling through recipes or watching cooking videos while your food heats up.
It's crazy, right? It's a prime example of how technology is blended into everyday appliances. It's not just about function anymore. It's about experience.
Next up, prepare for sensory overload. The Brilliant Ultra Reality display goes beyond 3D, creating a view and experience with multiple layers of depth that's truly mind-blowing. I can't even imagine what gaming or watching movies on this thing would be like.
I know. It's like stepping into another world.
Damn, for all the movie buffs out there.
Yeah.
The XDMI home theater is a dream come true. A sleek soundbar that houses a Ryzen ultra-short throw screen. It's the perfect blend of style and space-saving design, ideal for any movie night. Let's shift gears and talk about something near and dear to my heart. Food tech.
Okay, foodies, get ready. CES served up some delicious innovations this year, and one that really sizzled was the Brisket AI cooking assistant.
Oh yeah, imagine this. You want to smoke a mouthwatering brisket, But you're not quite a pit master yet. This device steps in as your personal BBQ guru. It analyzes the cut of meat, generates a customized recipe, and even adjusts the smoker's temperature throughout the cooking process to ensure perfectly tender, flavorful results. It's AI taking all the guesswork out of grilling.
Exactly. It's a perfect example of how technology is making gourmet cooking more accessible. And speaking of accessibility, let's talk about the Chill Shark cold plunge device. Cold plunging is all the rage right now for its supposed health benefits, but not everyone has the space or resources for a dedicated cold plunge tub.
Right. That's where this device changes the game. You can literally transform any bathtub into a cold plunge in just a couple of hours. It chills the water to your desired temperature and even has features like hydrotherapy jets and LED lights for a spa-like experience. It's wellness tech, making it easier for people to incorporate these trends into their routines.
For sure, it's all about convenience and customization. Now let's talk about a gadget that's both intriguing and affordable, the Lingura ARA.
Ooh, this little device is a game changer. It's a smart button with an e-ink display, so you can program it to control multiple devices like your lights thermostat or even your coffee maker. And the best part, it's only $30.
You're kidding. That's a steal. No more fumbling with multiple remotes or apps. It's simplicity and convenience at your fingertips. And for those who like to experiment with taste, there's the Kirin Holdings Shock Spoon.
Now this one is wild. It uses a mild electric current to stimulate your taste buds, actually enhancing the saltiness of food without adding any extra sodium.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine what that sensory experience would be like.
I know, right? It's a reminder that innovation isn't always about practicality. It can also be about pushing the boundaries of our senses and exploring new ways to interact with the world around us.
On a more practical note, Anker showcased their new Solix electric coolers perfect for camping or tailgating.
Oh yeah, those look awesome. Those coolers can keep your food and drinks cold for days on a single charge, making them ideal for off-grid adventures. It's a testament to how portable power technology is evolving. Imagine a future where we can take all the comforts of home with us wherever we go without relying on traditional power sources.
From futuristic kitchens to sensory-bending spoons, CES 2025 had something for everyone.
One of the most exciting trends we saw was the emergence of kinetic energy-powered smart home sensors.
Kinetic energy.
Yeah. Imagine a world where just walking through your house generates enough energy to power your smart devices.
Wow. No more batteries to replace or recharge, just pure, clean energy harvested from your everyday movements.
Exactly. This technology has the potential to make our homes way more sustainable and efficient than ever before. And remember those modular robot vacuums we talked about earlier? Well, it turns out they're just the tip of the iceberg.
Oh, yeah.
We saw some prototypes at CES that were truly mind-blowing.
Like what?
Imagine a robot that not only vacuums your floors but also brings you a drink, purifies the air, and even folds your laundry with its multi-purpose claw arm.
No way. It's like having a personal robot assistant taking care of all those tedious chores so you can focus on the things you enjoy.
Exactly. 2025 really gave us a glimpse into a world that is more connected, more convenient, and more personalized than ever before. It's a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our lives, making things easier, safer, and more enjoyable.
I don't know about you, but I'm walking away feeling incredibly inspired and energized.
Me too.
What tech from CES are you most excited about?
That's a tough one, but if I had to pick one, I think I'm most excited about the potential of kinetic energy to power our homes. What about you?
There's so much cool stuff. I'm excited about the AI-powered home security systems and those robot butlers that can do your chores. But honestly, I'm just blown away by the sheer creativity and innovation on display at CES. It makes me really optimistic about the future.
I agree. It's an exciting time to be alive, that's for sure.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. But we'd love to hear from you. What tech from CES are you most excited about and why? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the future of tech, and we'll see you next time for another exciting episode of Unlocking the Future.